Hello everyone, John Odom here again, still at Orlando Music Productions Academy. And so what I've done is I went ahead, got the new heads on all three toms, the Evans hydraulic heads, okay? And I've got them mounted back on the drum kit, okay? And so now I'm going to go ahead and just do some tuning. And different ways to tune, I mentioned earlier about you can use the weather stripping, okay? If you choose to, you can put the weather stripping both on either on one or both, depending on how much resonance control you need, on the batter head or on the head that you hit. You can also add it to the resonant head, which is the head on the bottom of the drum. So I'm going to go ahead and let's listen to it, let's see how they sound. That's just a beginning tone. From there we can go ahead and adjust. So I'm going to go ahead and start doing that. I'm going to start with the 10-inch. Just. And I'm listening to the heads in comparison, basically how they sound with each other, okay, in relation to each other. And we can adjust, we can tweak. Now also, these are brand new heads. As you play the drums, as you hit them, they do take a little while to actually break in, and the sound will change. And as you play them some, they'll actually the sound will become richer, fuller, and so right when you first put new heads on, the sound that you hear is not necessarily the sound you're going to have, say, in a few weeks or a month. And again, it depends on how much you play. Also, too, even temperature changes can affect the drums. Even though these are inside, we actually have a cold front that just moved in, so it's actually a cold, rainy day outside. And so even that, because wood expands and contracts with changes in air temperature. And so that can even affect the way the drums sound as well. So let's listen to it again. The tone on the mid tom here. So I'm going to do that by loosening. You lower the tone by loosening the head. You raise the tone or raise the pitch by tightening the head. Similar to a guitar string. And I'm only going to do a slight adjustment here. I'm not going to go crazy because you need to do small adjustments at the time. I don't need to take a big swing at it. See how the 4-tom sounds. Okay, got a buzz in there from somewhere, and also I think it's a little high. So I'm also going to lower the pitch of the 4-tom as well. Give it a couple of turns here. I did tighten it down pretty good. Some drummers keep their 4-tom really loose. 4-tom up because they're trying to get the lowest sound possible. So I am going to lower this tone some. Still have a buzz in there. I'm going to see if maybe there's something loose. I did go in and tighten up all the screws inside. All the lug brackets are tight, so I know it's not from that. It could be something coming from another part of the stand also. It's not coming from the cymbal. Try loosening the resonant head some. Okay, well, I'm going to go ahead and continue to tweak it. I might even use a little bit of the weather stripping I spoke about earlier. and I'll go ahead and continue to tweak this. But basically, I'm going to get these drums sounding good, and then play them for a few minutes, and then go ahead and get ready for the audition. So thank you for watching today. Please check out my website. I'm actually working on it, getting it completed, but it is online. You can view it. I will be adding this video and others to my website. It is groovewithpassion.com. If you live in East Orlando, which is where I live, within 10 miles of the 32828 zip code, I will come to your home for lessons if you prefer, or you can certainly come here to the school. This is in Lake Nona, which is South Orlando. For students who live here in Lake Nona, if you live in St. Cloud, Hunters Creek, Kissimmee, over on this side of town, Osceola County, you can certainly come here to the school. Please contact them for music, for the lesson rates. But I am here most days during the week. I enjoy teaching very much, and look me up if you're interested in drum lessons. If you have any questions about setting up your drum kit, tuning, head selection, anything like that, I'm always glad to help out. Again, my name is John Odom here at Orlando Music Productions Academy. Thank you for watching, and have a great day. Have fun drumming.